Imagine a world where machines not only understand our language but also anticipate our needs. Where robots assist us in daily tasks, and AI diagnoses diseases with unprecedented accuracy. Welcome to the timeless journey of artificial intelligence. This is your presenter Khan, and you are watching my YouTube channel Wonders with Khan. In this episode, we'll explore the incredible applications of AI in everyday life, healthcare, education, entertainment, and more, and dive into how it's shaping our future with innovations like autonomous vehicles, personalized learning, and intelligent assistants. AI and personalized medicine. A patient with breast cancer receives a treatment plan tailored to her specific tumor type and genetic profile, based on an analysis of her medical records and genomic data. This personalized approach can improve treatment outcomes and reduce side effects. Drug discovery. AI algorithms analyze vast datasets of molecular structures to identify potential new drug candidates for Alzheimer's disease. By rapidly screening millions of compounds, AI can accelerate the drug discovery process and reduce costs. Diagnostic imaging. An AI-powered algorithm analyzes X-rays of patients with pneumonia, accurately detecting the disease with a higher sensitivity and specificity than human radiologists. This can lead to earlier diagnosis and more effective treatment. Transportation. A self-driving car navigates through a busy city street, safely avoiding pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to reduce traffic congestion, improve road safety, and provide transportation options for those who cannot drive. Traffic management. An AI-powered traffic management system analyzes real-time traffic data to identify congestion hotspots and reroute traffic to optimize flow. This can reduce travel times and improve emergency response times. Chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and even assist with complex tasks like booking flights or troubleshooting technical issues. Personalized learning in education. Intelligent tutoring systems. AI-powered tutors can provide one-on-one guidance and feedback, helping students to learn at their own pace. AI on finance for fraud detection. AI can identify fraudulent transactions more effectively by analyzing patterns in data and detecting anomalies. AI-controlled manufacturing. Predictive maintenance using AI can analyze sensor data from machines to predict equipment failures before they occur, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Maintain quality control using AI-powered vision systems can inspect products for defects, ensuring that only high-quality products are shipped to customers. Precision agriculture and automated farming using AI. For precision agriculture, AI can analyze data on soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health to optimize crop yields and minimize resource waste. For automated farming, AI-powered robots can automate tasks like planting, harvesting, and weeding, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. Future world of AI. It's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to advance, it's crucial that we develop ethical guidelines and ensure that it is used for the benefit of all. As we've seen, the future of AI is filled with incredible possibilities. From revolutionizing healthcare to transforming transportation, AI has the potential to improve our lives in countless ways. I encourage you to stay curious about AI and explore the many ways it is shaping our world. Thank you for watching.